Hello, this is Raina with LYLO Crafts coming on today to announce an open collaboration. This is just a one-time only collaboration. I found this plastic mirror at the Dollar Tree, and I thought, wow, this would be so fun to alter it. They have it in different colors, and so I wanted to invite anybody who would like to do this with me, to just comment below with your email address so I can contact you by Thursday at 5 p.m. So that's the 23rd of June by 5 p.m. And the whole idea is you can use this mirror or any other mirror. It does not have to be this one. Any mirror, and alter it any way you'd like. You can alter the front and the back. You can do just the back, just the front, anything that you would like. And the reveal will be on Friday, July 8th. So it gives you about 2.5 weeks to find any old mirror. You could have it in your drawer or at the Dollar Tree or anywhere else, and alter it and share it. So if you would like to do this with me, please respond in the comments below, again with your email address. Say, yes, I'd like to do it, and also give me your email address, and I'll reach out to you. So thanks so much. I hope you'll have fun and join with me, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye-bye.